Make the most of home cooking with the COSORI Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven, featuring 10 customizable cooking presets. Connect to the free VSync app to browse for inspiration. Simply select a recipe to automatically apply settings and let the oven do the rest. You can also use the app to turn the oven light on and off, control the power convection fan, check your settings, and track your meal's progress from start to finish.
You can easily connect to Amazon Alexa. Before you get started, turn on Bluetooth. Next, open the VSync app and find the third-party services feature. Tap the Alexa icon and select your smart oven. This will take you to the Alexa app, where you can link your devices. After that, your smart oven will be ready for voice control anytime you need.